But I thought rates got lowered last month. What the hell are rates doing back at 7%? Stay tuned. We're going to break down interest rates for you from the Federal Reserve's angle and mortgage rates, the ones that you're probably interested in. I mean, any talk about rates goes straight to the Federal Reserve because that is the biggest entity that the public sees messing around with rates, because every month or so they meet and they adjust the quote interest rate, which everybody assumes are just one interest rate for everything. But no, that's just the federal funds rate. That's the overnight rate between banks lending, and that is way different than the mortgage rate. Now, it has an impact on mortgage rates, and we'll talk about that a little bit. The Fed meets regularly to set those interest rates. And again, it's not the mortgage rate that they're setting, but the overnight bank federal funds rate. And so we just experienced some up and down in interest rates. For example, just last month, the Federal Reserve lowered the interest rate by 0.5 point or 50 basis points. And so what happened? Well, everybody thought, yay, that means mortgage rates are going to go down. But mortgage rates had already gone down because there was anticipation that the Fed was going to lower rates, because that meant the economy must need rates to go down, which meant that it was bad. And when the economy's bad, mortgage rates go down because they want to give people incentives to do things in the economy to make the economy get better. But what happened was interest rates went down, the Fed funds rate, but then the jobs report came out and it was good. And that said, the economy may be better than what the Fed thought last week. So boom, interest rates spiked back up. They go up 0.5 point. And now they're up as much as 0.75 to a point, up to 7+%. And that has caused the market to hit the wall again. And so if you're making your decision based on rates, where rates are, we have a couple of ideas or solutions that can help you sooner than later. Reach out, we'll share what we know. And interest rates are important, and they're important in a lot of folks' decisions about buying a house today, especially with where they are compared to where they were a few years ago. Don't miss out on what you need to know about rates.